fucking waterfalls. Woo! I know, look at that shit way up there.
Holy shit.
Woo! Look behind you. Oh my god.
That doesn't even look real. That doesn't even look real. Oh yeah.
Look at all those waterfalls. Oh my god. That is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
That looks like something out of a movie.
Yeah.
It's like CGI.
That's Jurassic Park. That's what those guys were saying Narnia. Whoa! Look at that!
Woo!
Shit! Wow! Oh my god. I'm surprised that can't even flash. That's awesome!
Insane.
Wow, way up there. Holy shit. Wow, look at it coming off of there. It's incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so glad we got to see
I've never
this.
seen anything like this in my entire life.
That's, oh wow.
Look at it just pouring off.
Way over that arch, way over that cave.
Oh man, this is so incredible.
Hey, we got a waterfall over here on the left.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Wow.
This is like a once in a lifetime kind of chance right here.
Look at it just pouring off the top.
What's that?
To be right here, right
I
now.
know.
This
Spot?
Yeah.
in this place, like this is incredible.
Wow.
I mean, look at like the storm has subsided right here. Like those people that just left the forest, they didn't even see anything.
I know. Cool.
Look at dude, that arch right there.
Yeah.
It's so incredible. It's falling so far. It's not even a small.
Wow, that's so much water.
Never in my life have I seen anything this amazing.
Yeah.
Just look at waterfalls everywhere.
I know. Back there is amazing. Holy shit.
Look at this huge waterfall.
I know.
Is that what you were talking about?
Wow, no. Wow.
Woohoo!
Ooh, there's a nice one on the right up here in this little alcove too.
Dude, and a couple hours later, that river is blown out now.
Yeah, we caught it just in time.